Hey guys, it's Lindsay and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to fix TikTok when you receive the message video upload failed. So let's get started. The first thing I'm going to suggest is to clear memory on your phone. These apps need memory to function, so if you have 64 gigs on your phone and you're using 63 of them, you should probably get rid of some apps, some videos, or some photos, and that will hopefully make this app work much quicker. So the next thing you can do is switch to LTE, so swipe down from the upper right-hand corner of your phone and switch off your Wi-Fi. The reason we switch to LTE is because a cellular connection can sometimes be much stronger than a Wi-Fi connection. The next thing we're going to do if those two things didn't work is offload the app. So let's head to settings. Once you're in settings, you're going to go to general. And once you're in general, you're going to go to iPhone storage. From iPhone storage, you're going to scroll down to where it says TikTok and go ahead and click on TikTok. And then press offload and confirm it. The reason we offload this app is to clear the cache in the app. Go ahead and reinstall the app. Okay, and you have successfully offloaded your app. The last thing we can do is go to Safari and check the TikTok server status, just to make sure that TikTok is actually working. Now you can go to Down Detector, the first option, or you can go to servicesdown.com, either one, and they will show you in real time the TikTok problems. So right now there's a couple problems, as you can see. So these are great websites to see live outage maps and viewing videos, login uploads. There aren't many upload problems right now, so it probably means that it's an error on your end, not on TikTok's end. So I hope this video helped you guys. If it did, please like and subscribe to this channel. And if you have any other questions, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.